Friends, in this session we are going to see how to multiply the numbers, two numbers which are close to base 100. Earlier we have seen multiplying two numbers which are close to base 10, but in this case we will see the numbers which are close to 100. Let us start with 104 with 103. So in this case, the first thing we will see whether both the numbers are close to 100. We can see yes. So I can select base as 100. If I select base as 100, I have to find the difference. So subtract 100 from 104. So you will get 4. But instead of writing 4, I will write 0, 4. Similarly in this case, 103 minus 100, you will get 3. So I will write here 0, 3. The rest of the operation remains same. Put a forward stroke here. Multiply this 2 digit with this 2 digits. So 0, 3 multiplied by 0, 4. Your answer is 12. So I will write 12. Since the base has got 2 zeros, I am allowed to write 2 digits here, that is unit as well as 10. After getting this multiplication here, my multiplication is over. I have to simply add it. So 104 plus 03, I am getting 107, and my answer is 10712. Is it simple? Now let us take another example. I want to multiply 110 with 102. In this case also, I can see that the base is close to 100. So I can select base as 100. 110 can be written as 110 plus 10. That is 110 is 10 more than 100. Or you simply subtract 100 from 110, you will get 10. Similarly, 102 can be written as 102 plus 0. Now, after writing forward stroke, simply multiply. 2 tens are 20. So you get 20 here. After that, addition, cross addition, 110 plus 2, 112. So your answer is 11220 for 110 multiplied by 102. Now multiply 103 with 102. In this case, you will get 100. You can write 103 as 03, and 102 you can write as 02. Now you multiply 2 with 3, so you get 6. Is it the right way to write? No, because when you multiply 02 with 03, you get only 6. But since the base has got 2 zeros, therefore you have to compulsorily write 2 digits here. Now how you can make this as 2 digit? You cannot write 0 here because that is going to increase the value. So what you are going to do, for making this 6 single digit 6 into 2 digits, you are going to write 0, 6. Is it clear? That is 02 into 03, you get 06. Once these 2 digits are completed here, simply cross add. 103 plus 2, that is 105. So the answer is 10506. Now, how I can do this in a faster way? Let us see that. Now, I will once again solve this without actually going into the detailed way of solving this. Now, what we have seen is when we take base as 100, we actually select 2 digits in the multiplier and 2 digits in the multiplicator, and these 2 digits are getting multiplied. Now let's multiply this 2 digit, that is the first operation we did, 02 into 03, so you get 6. Now as I explained earlier, we have to make it 2 digit, so I will write 06. After that, my job of multiplication is over. I am going to do cross addition. So for cross addition, I will select this 103 completely. What I am going to do, I am going to add only 0 2. Don't make a mistake of adding 1 also. Only 0 2 to this whole number. So let's see. 3 plus 2, that is 5. 0 plus 0, so it's 0. And 1 as it is. So your answer is 10506. Let us take another example. 114 multiplied by 103. Now in this case, since the base is 100, so I will take 2 digits simultaneously. 14 here and 03 here. Always try to write bigger number on the top and a smaller number on the bottom. Now in this case, multiply 03 with 14. So 3 4s are 12 and 3 1s are 3 plus 1 42. So you get 2 digits. So there is no need to add another 0 because you already got 2 digits. Once the multiplication is over, my job of addition start. I will take 114 and I will add 03 in this. So 4 plus 3, that is 7. 1 plus 0, that is 0. And 1 as it is. So the answer is 10742. Now let's take another example. 112 multiplied by 130. Now in this case, you will find these numbers are close to base 100. So you select 13 and 12. Now 12 into 30, this is what you are going to multiply. Now many of us don't know the table of 12 into 13. So you don't have to worry. You can see here that both 12 and 13 are close to base 10. So if you want, you can multiply 12 with 13 like 12 plus 2 and 13 plus 3 and you will get answer 156. Now if you can do here also. By first you will take 13 into 12, so you will multiply 3 2s are 6 and then 12 plus 3 156. So 12 into 13 you get 156. But since the base is 100, you cannot write 3 digits. You can write only 5 and 6. So 1 is carried over. So 1 I will keep here. After that you add 112 and in that you add only 13. So 2 plus 3, 5. This carried over 6. Then this 1 plus 1, 2. And this 1 as it is. So my answer is 112 into 130, 12656. If you are finding it difficult, you can actually go for 112 plus 12, 113 plus 30 and then you can solve. Once you are used to it, then you can actually reduce it to this form and then you can start multiplying it without actually expanding it in detail. Because ultimately the aim of Vedic Maths is not only to reduce the time, but it also aim is to reduce the space. You should be in position to solve the numbers without even using any space, simply in your mind. Let's take an example. So if I want to multiply 115 with 114, instead of using any space, I know that these numbers are close to 100. So 15 is going to be multiplied with 14. So what I will do, I will first multiply 14 with 15. My answer will be 4 5s are 20 carried over to 15 plus 4, that is 19, plus 2, that is 21. Now I get 210, but since the base is 100, so I will keep 2 as carried over. Now my multiplication job is over. I am going to simply add it. 5 plus 4, that is 9, plus 2, that is 11. Now carried over 1. Now 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3, and this 1 as it is. So the answer of 115 with 114 is 13110. So you can see without using any, going to the detailed form, or without even, I can simply write an answer. I don't need any rough page for actually solving this problem. So this is the basic aim of Vedic Maths. Thank you.